Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Porsche Cayenne. First, gather your new engine oil, a new oil filter, and all required tools. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface. Safety is paramount, so wear gloves and eye protection, and consider warming the engine slightly to help the old oil drain more easily. Next, you'll need to get under the vehicle. Locate the oil drain plug, often requiring an 8mm hex tool, and carefully remove it. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly into your drain pan. Allow ample time for all the old oil to drain. Once empty, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, torquing it to about 19 to 22 foot-pounds. Now it's time to replace the oil filter. Locate the oil filter housing, which may require a 36mm socket to remove. Carefully take out the old filter and the O-ring. Clean the housing, lubricate the new O-ring with fresh oil, and install the new filter. Reinstall the filter housing, tightening it to approximately 19 foot-pounds. Finally, add the new engine oil through the filler cap. A Porsche Cayenne typically requires around 7 to 10 quarts, depending on the model. Start by adding about 8 quarts, then check the level with the dipstick. Run the engine for a few minutes to circulate the oil, then recheck the level and add more if needed. Always inspect for leaks before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.